to fix Samsung Smart View option not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we'll guide you through on how you can fix that issue of your Smart View option not being shown on your notification panel. So let's go on with the process on how we can solve that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So when you scroll down your notification panel and you are able to find different kind of options here. So if you are not finding the option called Smart View, as I'm not finding it on my screen right now, in order to find it, you'll be finding this option called three dot at the top right. When you click on it, you'll be finding edit buttons, quick panel layout, status bar and contact us. So you're going to tap on this option called edit buttons, and then here you are able to find the Smart View option. So what you're going to do is just long press on it and you're going to bring it to your notification bar and place it right here, so that it will be placed right here. After that is done, click on done, and after that is done, it will be available on your Smart View. It will be available on your notification panel. So what basically Smart View does is allows you to connect to other devices. So you may just enable this option by just going to the settings. Other than that, if you're not able to find it, maybe because you haven't updated your software of your phone, so look up for any kind of software update available. Make sure you have updated your phone to the latest version, and that's how you basically fix your Smart View option not being available. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.